Ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's build an Amazon affiliate website using Blogger, completely free, and start earning commissions. First, head over to Blogger.com and sign in with your Google account if you don't have one. It's quick and easy to create one. Click Create Blog and choose a catchy name for your website. This is your brand, so make it relevant to the Amazon products you'll be promoting. Next, pick a theme. Blogger offers many free themes, so choose one that's clean, responsive, and visually appealing. You can always change it later. Now for the fun part, creating content. Write informative product reviews, comparison guides, or best of lists related to your chosen niche. Focus on quality and provide value to your readers. Go to Amazon and sign up for the Amazon Associates program if you haven't already. Once approved, you can get affiliate links for any product. After logging into your Amazon Associates account, find the product you want to promote and use the SiteStripe toolbar at the top of the page to generate your unique affiliate link. Back in your Blogger post, seamlessly integrate your affiliate links. You can add them within your product reviews, comparison tables, or even as call to action buttons. Make sure to disclose that you are an affiliate. Preview your post to ensure everything looks good, then hit publish. Share your website link on social media to drive traffic and watch those commissions roll in. Remember to create helpful content consistently.